Good morning students. Today we are going to start with our EVS one subject, chapter number 16, day and night. Okay. So students, here this chapter begins with the picture showing day and night. You can see here this picture, daytime. This represents morning time. It is 6:45 a.m. in the morning, and you can see a bulb is also there. It is not required by a girl to see, whereas this picture same timing is there, but the bulb is lit. It shows that there is complete darkness in the room. That is why the bulb is there. So this picture shows night time and this picture shows daytime. So night and day or day and night occurs due to rotation of the earth. Now what is rotation? Yes students, our earth, it is rotating around itself. Motion of earth around itself is said to be rotation. That is, earth is rotating around itself. वो खुद के ही इर्द गिर्द रोटेट कर रहा है. ओके, तो इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? रोटेशन कहते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, it take 24 hours. It take 24 hours to rotate around itself. अगर उसे अपने आजू बाजू घूमना है तो 24 घंटे लगते हैं उसे पूरा एक राउंड लेने के लिए. So slowly the earth is rotating. Okay, and the thing is that 12-hour day and 12-hour night. Motion of the earth around itself is said to be rotation. Earth take 24 hours, that is one day, to complete one rotation. Is that clear? Is there any doubt? Students, if you have any doubt, you can put your questions in your WhatsApp group. Okay, I will clear it off. Next is revolution. What is revolution, students? Yes, the earth is revolving around the sun in specific orbit. It takes 365 days and 1 year to complete one revolution around sun, which causes day and night. What is revolution? Yes, revolution is the motion of the planet around the sun in particular orbit. Yes, sun is in the fixed position. Sun is not moving anywhere. It is there in the fixed position. But our earth is revolving around the sun. This is said to be revolution. That is, motion of earth around the sun is called revolution. Is that clear? And students, you know, it takes 1 year, that is 365 days. It takes 365 days to complete one revolution around the sun. Okay, 24 hours for one rotation and 365 days for completing one revolution. And combination of revolution and rotation represent day and night. Now, when earth rotate around itself, the part of the earth which is facing the sun, sun is in the same position. Okay, so the part of this earth which is facing the sun receive perpendicular rays. पूरा का पूरा रेज जो है वो सूर्य का अर्थ के ऊपर गिरता है. बट हाफ पार्ट ओनली इज lit. रिमेनिंग हाफ पार्ट इज इन द डार्कनेस. यहाँ पे सन नहीं है, यहाँ पर सन है तो यहाँ पे उजाला है और यहाँ पे अंधेरा है. सो हाफ पार्ट इज इन डार्कनेस and half part is in light. So lighted part we have daytime and remaining part is night time. Okay, but earth is rotating. अर्थ तो ऐसे 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 घूमता है, right? So what happened because of that? हाँ, अब देखिए यहाँ पे दिन है ना, हाँ, so when it will revolve, rotate like this, so lighted part will slowly come towards the darkness. ठीक है, फिर वहाँ रात हो जाएगी. Night. You can see night over here. Here is a globe representing all the direction. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So why it is happening, students? It is only happening because rotation of the earth is from west to east. Students, you can see here the part of the earth is facing the sun, represent day. Perpendicular rays of sun falls on the earth's surface, and the part of the earth which not receive rays there represent night. Okay, तो हाफ पार्ट में डे और हाफ पार्ट में नाइट है, इसलिए इंडिया में दिन होता है और अमेरिका में रात. Yes? Yes, I hope so you must have followed how day and night take place on the earth. Okay, so let's go in detail. It's a very small chapter, students. Here we live on earth. The earth get light from sun. The earth's surface is like a large ball. Therefore, light from the sun does not reach the entire earth. As I told you, same thing is written over here. And at the same time, half of the earth gets sunlight while other remain in darkness. So students, here a small example is given about here. See here, a torch is given. This torch represents sun, and what about this top? Hora. Okay, you can see the light coming from the torch directly fall on the top. So half part of the top is light, and whereas the remaining part is in the darkness. So here is the day and the other side is night. Okay. We say that it is day in the half that get light, while in the other half where sunlight does not reach, it is night. Every day we say the chasing of night and then night chase day. पकड़म पकड़ी. Chasing मतलब रात जो है वो दिन को पकड़ने की कोशिश करती है और दिन जो है वो रात को पकड़ने की कोशिश करती है, पर ये दोनों मिल नहीं पाते कभी. दिन और रात, जब दिन चला जाता है तो रात आ जाती है, जब रात चला जाता है, जब रात खत्म हो जाती है तो दिन का आगमन होता है. Okay, so night comes after day and that day follows night. This cycle goes on without stopping. Yes, one thing is there, sun rises in the east. Why student it is like this? Sun is rising in the east because our earth is rotating west to east. हमारी जो पृथ्वी है वो वेस्ट टू ईस्ट की डायरेक्शन में, उल्टा डायरेक्शन में घूमती है, जिसके कारण सूर्य उदय हमें ईस्ट से दिखाई देता है. ठीक है. सो सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट इन द मॉर्निंग and move towards the west. In the evening, sun sets in the west. So we feel that sun goes around the earth. But that is only an impression. Actually, the earth rotates around itself, and that is why day and night is there on the earth. This spinning of earth around itself is said to be rotation of the earth. Okay. It's a very small topic, students, and the topic is going to end now. Here, the whole day has 24 hours. But are there always 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness? Yes. If that be true, that were true, we would have sunrise every morning at 6 o'clock and sets at 6 o'clock, right? So, say 12 hours, 12 घंटा दिन और 12 घंटा रात. You see here, what do you see? In November, the sun rises little later क्यों? It is only because the earth is rotating in somewhat slanting position. About its axis of rotation, the earth is rotating. But earth is not rotating like this. सीधे तो नहीं घूम रहा है वो. Little bit tilt position, slanting position. It's a little earlier every day. In the month of May, the sun rises little earlier every day and sets little later every day. So what does it tell? In November, the day becomes shorter. बराबर. नवंबर में दिन छोटे हो जाते हैं और रात बड़ी हो जाती है. And in May time, the day become longer and night become shorter. Okay. So thus we are now sure that day and night are not of 12 hours each all year. It is said that 12 घंटा दिन होता है और 12 घंटा रात होती है. तो ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है. नवंबर महीने में प्रॉब्लम है, मई महीने में प्रॉब्लम है. मई महीने में क्या होता है? इन मंथ ऑफ मे डेज आर लॉन्गर, नाइट्स आर शॉर्टर. तो हाउ वी कैन से 12 घंटा रात और 12 घंटा दिन. टाइमिंग में फर्क हो गया ना फ्रेंड्स. तो यही बात है. ओके. नेक्स्ट ईयर on March 21st, day and night are both 12 hours. Okay, so then in our part of the earth, daytime increases slowly and night time decreases. This goes on till June month, till June 21st तक ऐसा चलता है. And then on 21st June, our day is longer and night is shortest. From June 21st, it is our part of earth. Daytime becomes shorter and shorter and night time become longer. This goes on till September 22. On September 22, our day is of 12 hours and night too is of 12 hours. After that, the day continues to become shorter. The night become longer. This goes on till December 22. Students, so with this I am completing the topic of day and night. Very small topic it is there and very interesting also. So we have seen how day and night causes. Here what have we learned? Just revise it. As the light of the sun does not reaches the whole earth at the same time, that is daylight on the half of the earth while there is darkness in the other part. Other half earth spin around itself. So the part that faces the sun goes into the darkness and the part that is in darkness come into the light. That is why we have day and night on the earth alternate. We can observe that 24 hours of day is divided into 12-hour day and 12-hour night. On 21st March and 22nd September, they have given the period. बस इसी period में ऐसा होता है. From December to June, the days get longer, while from June to December, the days get shorter. So students, with this I am finishing the topic. And if you have any queries, you can ask me on the WhatsApp. If you don't understand any concept, you can please, you are welcome on our WhatsApp. Okay, so I have completed the topic. We have to go with our activity session now. Bye students.